Hi everyone, today we're opening Google Wi-Fi router. So we have Google Home and Google TV. It also comes with an emote. And this is Google Wi-Fi. And today we're opening Google Wi-Fi. Here, how is the box? You can put it anywhere in your house, all over the place, and internet is everywhere. So here's the bottom, and Google starts with a G. And let's open. Get to rip it. Okay, now we're going to dump it out there. Whoa, it's so massive! Now we are going to take it out. It's not. Oh! We have more finger inside. Those stuff, put it there. Right here, such. Oh, and these ones. Right? Let's open this box. There. Ah, there it is. This looks nice. Network cable. So this is the network cable, the power adapter, and so this Google router comes with the G on top. If Google point, no G. And at the bottom, there's network cable in there. Okay, now, so like this goes there. You can power on and say Google Play Music. And here is the home Google and the TV Google with the white emote. And you can plug in the TV with this, okay? So for Google Home, and you say, okay Google, play music, songs, and also non-cartoons. So this one goes with cartoon, this one goes with songs. So you play also non-cartoons, or like Tom and Jerry, or like my videos, and all that stuff. So I could play Netflix or .com. And this goes with the Wi-Fi to charge your Wi-Fi everywhere in your house. And it looks nice too. And I think these two match together because they're all white and all colored. And it's AC220. Very fast internet. Like and subscribe, hit the bell, comment.